New evidence has emerged in the case against 4 people accused of having a hand in the disappearance of 6-year-old Joshlin Smith. As a result, proceedings have been postponed to next month. Joshlin was last seen on the 19th of February near her home in Middelpos, in Saldanha Bay. The accused, including Joshlin's mother, Kelly Smith, her boyfriend, Jacquin Apollis, and 2 others, are facing charges of human trafficking for the purpose of exploitation and kidnapping. Newzroom Afrika's Nasiphi Same filed this report.
A twist in the case of the disappearance of 6-year-old Joshlin Smith. The state has just over a month before the next court appearance to finalize its investigation into new evidence that has emerged. This will allow the prosecution to better organize their case and potentially submit an indictment for the transfer of the matter to the Cape Town High Court.
The new evidence is on the present accused, and depending on what comes out on the evidence, then we may add new charges. What it means is that if the state comes up on the 21st and asks for further postponement, the defense has got rights to object. In fact, they've even told the court that they will object. The emphasis is that the case will not be withdrawn. We've got enough evidence to continue and transfer the case to the High Court based on what we have at this stage. But the issue is there's this new evidence that has come up which necessitates for us to ask for this postponement.
The community of Saldanha Bay would prefer to have the trial heard locally instead of it being transferred to the Cape Town High Court, which is more than 150 kilometers away.
Even though the community they're getting impatient now because of the long process, but they understand the reason why this case must go to High Court. When you talk about High Court, we think of Cape Town, but if the High Court can come here, it will suit the community perfect.
Despite the National Prosecuting Authority's readiness for trial, over 205 days have passed with no trace of Joshlin.
I think the number one priority or prize for everyone is to find the child alive, not to prosecute the case. The evidence that we have at our disposal points us in that direction, that the child was trafficked for purposes of making money out of her, as well as kidnapping. Based on the evidence we have on these 2 charges, we can prosecute them because as we don't have the child at this stage.
There is growing anticipation that, nearly 7 months after Joshlin's disappearance, Kelly, who stands accused, might finally provide crucial information that could lead to locating the little girl.
I'm here hoping that my chains will make Kelly realize that she needs to talk and tell us where Joshlin is. Because it's now not just the community, it is now communities, it is now the whole country's eyes is on this case and the world.
The 4 accused will return to the Vredenburg Magistrates Court on the 21st of October. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi Same in Vredenburg.